I'm Kendall. I'm just gonna do my everything shit. Did I do this right? I'm trying out Kendall Jenner's beauty routine that she did with Vogue magazine. I'm so excited. Kendall looks flawless at all times, so we're testing it out. Put on a silky robe like she had on. I have a bun. I even have the little hairs like she did. Let's go. So she started off with just foundation. She doesn't like powder anything at all, and she did like a little bit. Then she went in with some concealer. She looked like she was just concealing spots, which I have a little one there. I have this there, and I'm just gonna kind of brighten up this area. She didn't use her sponge for her foundation, and she used her finger for her concealer, so. I mean, I feel like when you're a model and you look that beautiful all the time, I wasn't picking my nose. Now brows. I'll give you my own hack. I've grown out my brows and my eyelashes so much by using castor oil on them, and it's helped a lot. Do I have model brows now? Her favorite part is my favorite part, and that is bronzer. Ready to bronze it up, bump, bump. And I actually do the same thing that she does, where she kind of pinches it to make it a little smaller, and then I just... Jenny also said that she learns a lot of like her makeup tips from just like doing makeup on her own face and from set and everything, and I agree with her. I feel like you can watch beauty tutorials online and learn different things, but I feel like different techniques work for different faces. Did KJ just teach me that I don't need to put on powder over everything to like set it, and I can just be more natch? She also uses her bronzer for some eyeshadow. I feel like she's me because I do the exact same thing every single day. Flawless. You guys, the saddest thing just happened to me. I can't find my YSL mascara. We're sticking to CoverGirl. Kendall says she really puts it at her roots and then pulls it up, so we're gonna do the same. Oh, mother! Lipstick. She took a nude lipstick. She does what I like to do with lipstick, is you dab it and then dab it. So you just have like a little color. And then a little gloss. I even dab gloss. I do. She said this is, oh, I'm gonna sneeze. She said this is as good as it's gonna get, and I like it. I feel like this is something I would wear for just an everyday, like I've got errands to run. Look. You guys know I always wear lip liner, so that's weird for me to not have any on. This is a very light lip color that I personally like something darker, but I'll do anything for the KJ. Loves it. If you would like to see any other videos like this, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.